Now you're probably wondering, bro, didn't you just leave that spot, man? As soon as I got in the house, as soon as I got in the bro house, I sat down for 30 minutes, chit-chatting. No camera footage. I got a call to come right back out here because Chick-fil-A is under siege. Yo, good morning, JGL family. Good morning, YouTube. What's going on? Hey, I'm here. Wait a minute. Let's get this autofocus. What are you doing? All right. So, we on the way to church this morning. And I got some stuff I want to talk to y'all about, though, to be honest. Some things that I've been trying to prepare all week long. And I got a vlog that I'm coming up with. I'm going to this vegan restaurant out here in Apex, North Carolina. I'm really excited about going there because it gives me an opportunity to get out and do something different, show you guys a little bit what's going on outside of the normal. That's the whole plan, growth, right? But I wanna also taste this place out, check this mailbox. Bills. That's all we get is bills. But thank God I got a job I can pay my bills, right? So check this out. So today, I'm going to hit y'all off with something a little deep, okay? And it's my daily devotion. It's a daily devotion that I read daily. It's 365 devotions daily, and what they do is it gives you a scripture, a reading, and something to reflect on, okay? And so I was reading it, and it thought about something deep, man, about how during certain conflicts we tend to pray to God more, read more during conflict. But once the conflict is over, how quick are we to forget God? You know what I'm saying? And so I wanted to talk about that later on in this vlog. But right now, I am going to get prepared for service. We're going to ride in here to service this morning, and hopefully we get there before everybody else get there. But in the meantime, between time, I hope everybody's blessed, I hope everybody's living, hope everybody's good, hope everybody's motivated to do well, to keep doing well, and stay elevated. I'll see you in a few. Well, I was on the way to church, but I forgot to mention to you guys I'm on call this week. Did I mention it to y'all? I don't think so. That wasn't a recent. Oh, that was in some lost footage, yeah. So I am on call this week from Thursday to Thursday, and my birthday is. I got a message. My birthday is this Sunday, so I'm on call for my birthday. So as soon as I got to church, my buddy Jim Rogers called and said, hey, we got to go to Chapel Hill Road. So I said, okay. It is what it is. So I'm going to go out here and handle this call right quick and see what happens for the rest of the day. All right, so basically, man, we got a sewer stoppage out here, man. And we couldn't find the clean out, so I had to call the owner of the building and let me know what the clean out was. So It's time to get to work, man. Do what I do best. Make people's lives better. All right, man. Give me about 15 minutes. All right. So, hey, man, we back at the shop. Easy job. You know what I'm saying? Taking care of, how's the song go? Taking care of business. That's the way. I think it's some type of jingle to some commercial. Hey, man. So me and my buddy Jim Rogers, we just tackled this monster. Small thing to a giant, you know. But hey, man. So I'm about to get changed. Now I got to head back to Raleigh. Unless I get another call, you know what I mean? So yeah. Man, listen. Oh wow, I forgot. I gotta hold the button down. You know what I'm saying? This is the part when I hit you with the
2 hours later.
Alright, so I'm about to get changed, get out of my attire. This is our Jetta. We use this to clear blockages. Clear blockages, man. This thing right here. What's the word I'm looking for? It adds age to your back. Those who are in the plumbing business, you know what I'm talking about, man. Anyway, let me get changed. Hey y'all, that was quick. Forgive me for that transition. I am really trying to work on some things with dealing with transition. But I am, so I haven't forgotten what this whole vlog was really about. Okay? I haven't forgotten what this whole vlog was really about. So we still will get into it. Just give me some time. The day is only started. You know what I'm saying? It's about what, 2 something? Going on 2 o'clock? But yeah, so remember, if you're still with me, we are gonna talk about not forgetting God. And I did tell you about this vegan restaurant. So my wife, make sure I got my keys before I lock myself out. Okay. So my wife put me on to this other spot in Durham. Hold up. Yeah. So my wife put me on to this other spot in Durham. All right. And I got to check that out too. It is what they call it? What she said it was? It's like a soul food, Latino soul food. Latino, it's African American Latino soul food restaurant. Vegan restaurant. Bro, I'm telling you, I'm about to try this joint out. Man, listen, when I go, you gonna go. Okay? When I go, you go. So, anyway. Yeah, let me get out of here, man. But I see y'all in a bit. All right, so we made it. I'm out here in Raleigh. Go back to my brother's house. See what they up to today. See if he gonna let me do some vlogging in his home. You know what I mean? But yo, real talk, let me tell you about bro, right? So a couple years ago, he was like, it's super dark. Anyway, he asked me to help him move from one place to another. Man, he didn't tell me they had to climb the doggone 3 flights of steps. Man, I spent the whole day with a full body workout. You know what I mean? That's my brother, though. I love him. I just hope next time he hires some movers. Look, I'm still walking up the steps. You know, you're probably wondering, bro, didn't you just leave that spot, man, as soon as I got in the house? As soon as I got in the bro house, I sat down for 30 minutes, chit-chatting. No camera footage. I got a call to come right back out here because Chick-fil-A is under siege. So I had to strap up. I had to put the big straps on. You see the big straps? When you see this on, it's big business, big straps. Anyway, man, due to legal reasons, you probably won't get any footage about what I'm about to do. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, next time you see me, I do not know where I'll be at, but I will continue vlogging this subject. Please stay tuned. All right, so we end up being out here at Chick-fil-A. There's a lot going on, you know what I'm saying? I will not put it on camera. Ain't nothing bad, but it just, y'all don't need to see this. And put it on this, I'm just be honest with you. The people I work for are very funny about what we put on social media, so I'm just being very cautious. But we still out here, man. It's like 4:58. We can feel the temperature dropping. It's supposed to be in the teens tonight. But hey man, small thing to a giant. You know what I'm saying? Basically we have found a piece of shard down into a sewer main, a plastic shard, and we're trying to get that shard out, because if we don't get the shard out, it's gonna cause another backup, and we don't want that. We don't want that to happen. And we know you guys love y'all Chick-fil-A, so if we don't get Chick-fil-A right, we can't get you right. But all right, YouTube, we out here. We still getting it in, but I think we done. We about wrapped up. Oh, I gotta go help take this pipe off. I can't be slacking. But yeah, we out here. Hey, what's up, YouTube? GGL family, look, I want to apologize because this vlog was not supposed to end this way. But I came home last night and I started editing. And as I was editing the vlog, I saw that I had just had so much stuff going on yesterday that the whole thing with the vlog, the whole subject that I originally started off with couldn't be. So I spent my birthday weekend on call. Now today is actually my birthday. The Lord has blessed me to see 39 years old, and it was just so much for me to reflect on this morning. I had an opportunity to just reflect on the last 39 years of my life, where I come, what made me, the situations in my life that determined my outlook and perspective on life. You know what I'm saying? And I've seen where God had guided me all through my life. You know what I'm saying? And also, I said, you know, I'm 39. This is my last years of my 30s. I'm going to, through the grace of God, let's turn a new chapter when I'm 40. So I'm going to spend these 365 days, or the next 364, however, upgrading myself, bettering myself, reading more, communion with God more, getting more involved in the community, studying more, doing things that's going to make me grow, elevate. My health is going to be the #1 subject of my 39th year. You know what I'm saying? So by that being said, I hope that everyone have a blessed day. Shout out to all of y'all that like the sub. Big shout out to every single one of my Facebook friends who have sent me a happy birthday. If I do not respond to you, it's not on purpose. So many of y'all sent me so many happy birthdays, so many shout outs, so many encouraging words. And I'm gonna try to respond to every single one of y'all. But if I don't, trust me, it's not on purpose. You know what I'm saying? So like I was saying, it's not on purpose. It's only, and forgive me if there's any wind blowing on my phone, but like I said, it's not done on purpose. You know what I'm saying? But listen, I want everybody, man, to enjoy your day. Enjoy this day. Keep your head up. Keep striving. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm still on call, so hopefully they don't call me today. I want them to call me tomorrow. They call me tomorrow. Martin Luther King holiday. Daddy needs some new shoes. And how they say Daddy needs some new shoes? Yeah, man, I would love to get some big time tomorrow. But it is what it is, man. If I don't, God be the glory. Hey, man, thank y'all for the love and the support. The whole JGL family. Those who have new subscribers, shout out to you also. And shoot, man, that's it, man. I'm signing off. I'm gonna holler at y'all later, man. Oh yeah, I got something else I want to show too. So so the vlog that this is supposed to be, I'm gonna do it. So this may be a double upload this week, I'm not sure. I am scheduled once again. I said that I was going to this vegan restaurant. I also said in this vlog that was African American. No, it's American Latino vegan restaurant out there in Durham. I'm gonna check that out. But man, shoot, it's windy. The Hulk might be blowing in his phone, doing his footage. Hey man, I'm out, y'all. I ain't got more to explain to y'all. Y'all want to know what's going on with me, man? Like and sub and subscribe and keep following. And hit that notification bell.